Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really exciting video because I have been collecting some new Loungefly and Danielle Nicole bags, and I'm going to be unboxing those today with y'all. Are you crooked? Are you crooked? Is that better? I think so. Okay. Yeah, so currently I'm wearing my Kylo Zen shirt, which my cousin Macy actually designed the design of. This would be live on my Etsy shop, but I need to do some work to make it a little bit more seamless. So when it gets pressed on the shirt. And these ears actually are from an Etsy small shop, so if I can find them, if they're still available, I'll link them in the description along with all of these bags where you can get them. Okay. I've got 2 Loungeflies and 1 Danielle Nicole. So I think I'm going to start with the Loungeflies because they're so good. Okay, let's go. So the first bag is an Ahsoka Tano Loungefly mini backpack, and it is just gorgeous. I love the detail on this. I cannot wait to wear this at Hollywood Studios because I am going to be doing an Ahsoka Tano an Ahsoka Tano Disney bound next time I'm at Galaxy's Edge. So this is obviously Ahsoka from the Clone Wars when she's a little bit of a younger Padawan. She's got like her little belt dangly thing right here. It keeps getting sat underneath, so I will hang this on the wall and hopefully this can flatten out and, you know, look correct. But she's obviously got her headpiece on, which is like a metallic leather finish, and then her like I don't know what those are called. I should probably look that up, what these are technically called, are embroidered. And then this is all like leather on leather finishes. Her headdress like hangs down, and then there's actually a pocket right here. And what I love is that the pocket zipper is actually her lightsaber, which I very much appreciate. So there is a pocket. It's a little hard to get to because it's like how her face is configured. It's a little hard to get in there, so this might not be a super easy access pocket, but it looks great. So, and does provide some extra functionality. This bag does come with side pockets, which I love because those are perfect for putting your phone in. Like so, which is great for walking around any of the parks or just your daily life. And then she's got green and kind of orange stitching around her zipper and on the back straps. And then on the back we just have her kind of maroon color. On the side is her Star Wars Loungefly plaque. And then let's open her up and see what the inside looks like. So to me this looks kind of like a newspaper, if that makes sense. But it says like use the force, battle, courage, loyalty, patience, the force, Star Wars, the Clone Wars. So let me see if I can give you guys a really good look at the inner lining. Yeah, there we go. So you guys can see it kind of looks like an old school like newspaper with like a bunch of different symbols and wording and everything all over it. And then it does have an inner pocket right in here, which is handy. So yeah, I'm gonna actually put the stuffing back in because I just bent it all to heck. And it's gonna be a while until I actually use this bag, so I want to keep the form of it as much as possible. And this will get hung on my wall. I actually have 2 Loungefly bags over there, my Tiana bag and my Stormtrooper bag, or Sith Trooper bag. So I will add this to the collection over there. Next up, I have a little bit of a different Loungefly bag, definitely a bigger one, but still a mini backpack. And it is the Naboo one. You're gonna see a theme with these bags. So, I mean, we just love the women of Star Wars. So, first of all, the color of this bag is absolutely stunning. It's this gorgeous, kind of almost Tiffany blue, not Tiffany blue, it's more mint than that. It's a mint shade of green. And it does say Naboo in gold right there on the front. And then it sort of has this like very light skyline of Naboo's mountains, and then you know, the building in Naboo's capital here with some gold detailing. I love the size of this pocket up front here. This is perfect for throwing in a wallet, your phone, like anything that you need handy. This is perfect. This would actually make a great airport bag if you want like a really small, lightweight bag to carry around in the airport. You don't want like a full backpack. This is a really good bag for that because you can still fit a ton in this. And then we just have like a darker shade of green on the luggage, or the, not luggage straps, the shoulder straps, and then around the side. And then here is the Star Wars Loungefly plaque on the side there. And then the print inside is really simple. Inside this one, it literally just says a long time ago. Does it say a long time ago? No, it just says in a galaxy far, far away, over and over and over again. And then just like in most Loungefly mini backpacks, there is a pocket here on the back. And I think that's it as far as pockets go. Yeah, this one does not have the side pockets, which honestly is fine because this front pocket is so easy access and large. I think it will be just fine. So yeah, again, going to add this one to the collection over there. You guys, I can't believe that just a couple months ago I didn't own any Loungefly or like Danielle Nicole themed bags, and now I have 5. This is getting dangerous very quickly. Also, one last thing I want to mention about my Ahsoka bag. I got this Star Wars Ahsoka water bottle, and all I'm saying is normally I use a carabiner and I attach my water bottles to my Loungefly bags or whatever bag I'm carrying in the parks. So like this dangling along with my bag at Hollywood Studios in a Ahsoka bound is going to be next level. And I'm here for it. Okay, last but certainly not least, the smallest bag. This is a Danielle Nicole bag that has been out for a while, and it is small because he is small. He is on my ears today. Everyone knows him, everyone loves him. It is the Grogu bag. I have been eyeing this bag for a long time, but honestly I just didn't want to spend the money for it because it is a pricey bag. It is $69.90, and to give you guys perspective, like yes, this Naboo bag is much more simple, but this is, oh shoot, actually I ordered this from Amazon, but I think it was $70 or $80. But the Ahsoka bag is, yeah, $79. So for $10 more, you get a lot more storage, a bigger bag, a more functional bag. And obviously it's still just as gorgeous. But this, you can see, that's the back, that's all you get. So like, this is really a minimal bag. As far as luggage goes. But looking up at the front, giving you guys some details, obviously we have Grogu kind of poking out of his robes. The inside of his ears are kind of like a shiny cracked leather, and then his his like coat lining is actually like a teddy bear sort of fuzzy material, and then his actual robe is like a glittery kind of scaly material. Then on the back, it's got some, I believe, airbrush there, and it says species unknown in gold. And then if we take off the packaging for his, oh cute, okay, so the zipper pull on the bag is actually a little blue frog, which is super cute. Love that. And then we've just got like a normal, do I have scissors up here? I don't think I do, but we've just got like a normal luggage or a crossbody strap, and it is adjustable. So there's little hooks in there and a belt kind of loop, so you can adjust how long or short you want the crossbody to be. And then I don't think there's anything really super special on the inside of Danielle Nicole bags, at least not that I've ever seen. It just says like, oh, I don't want to like rip this bag open, but it says like Star Wars Danielle Nicole, and there are actually some card slots in there, so that's handy because instead of carrying around a whole wallet, you could just put like your ID, your debit card, a Disney gift card, and be good to go. And then there's definitely enough room to put like, personally, I could fit most of my park essentials on here. I would attach a water bottle to the side using a carabiner, but for me, this would be like a, I know I'm going into the park only for the morning or for the afternoon, because I can fit a few cards in here, my car keys if I'm driving, my phone, I can fit a mini sunscreen in here. What else do I normally bring in the parks? My mini phone charger could definitely fit in here. Yeah, I mean, I could definitely fit a half day of park stuff in here, maybe even a whole day, depending on what I've chosen to bring that day. Sunglasses, that's another thing that I could fit in here. So yeah, but man, you guys, I mean, he's just adorable, and especially with these ears, what a cute little outfit. So yeah, those are the purchases that I've made as far as Disney and Star Wars bags go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Loungefly / Danielle Nicole unboxing. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below for more Disney and obviously Star Wars and other lifestyle related content here on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram at Holly_Hickman, or if you just want to see my Disney and Etsy related updates at HollyLollyCo. Also do a lot of pin trading on there, so hit me up if you're interested in trading some pins. Yeah, that's everything I have for you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.